Welcome to TTT Jewelry, a handmade fashion jewelry manufacturer that draws on over 10 years of industry expertise. We bring you unique, quality electroplated jewelry and tailor-made services. Our experienced craftsmen patiently polish the brass and silver chain links before immersing them in an electrolytic bath that is composed of a solution of salts, including the metal to be plated. By using German-manufactured machines and the best possible solution in the industry, our electroplating gives your jewelry increased wear resistance, corrosion protection, or aesthetic appeal, as well as increased thickness. Make your jewelry products look more lustrous and attractive to potential buyers. TTT Jewelry has almost 1 decade of electroplating experience in the jewelry industry, developing a wide range of cost-effective plating and metal finishing processes to suit the needs of brands, wholesalers, and retailers. We can help you determine the best plating method for your project, as well as the type of metal you'll want to use. With TTT Jewelry, you can trust us to provide experienced, customer-focused plating service from start to finish. After the electroplating and before your handmade fashion jewelry leaves our warehouse, skilled quality auditors conduct inspections on every step to ensure our established quality benchmarks are maintained. Through coating thickness test, neutral salt spray test, tumble abrasion, hardness test, and color assessment, we ensure that each piece of electroplated jewelry from us reaches and beyond your expectation.